Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram pictures not loading. To know how to fix Instagram pictures not loading, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram, and when you will see this page you will go down to first stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage here, and then in this page you will click clear cache, then you will click clear data, and after that you can turn off your Wi-Fi so that you can know how to fix Instagram pictures not loading. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.